is how I keep warm in my Volkswagen Vanagon in the Nordic winters. Under here is where batteries and heater is located, so you take a look here.
Okay, so here we have the heater and also the two extra batteries on 180 ampere, and they are now charging from the solar panel on the roof or the engine when driving. This is the heating pipe for the rear bed. These pipes are not included in the kit. It's just something I made myself, so it works. So let's start up the heater. This is my voltage meter to see how much power I have in my extra batteries. Here we have the display, and yeah, here's the fan speed. And just long press the middle button and we'll start up. Here you can see the exhaust coming out. And the pipe and the muffler. The tube on the left is for intake, fresh air, and the tube in the middle is for the diesel. And the other one is exhaust. And the diesel fuel I take from the main tank on the bus because it's a diesel engine in it. So here is the fuel tank, and here is the main outlet hose. And I just installed a T-fitting to get one extra hose for the fuel pump, and it's clicking pretty loud. So that's why you want it on the outside of the van. So, and filter and hoses need to be changed this spring because they start to dry up, and they've been sitting there for almost 7 years now. So rubber is not what it used to be. Here we have the timers, 1 of 3. Pin code for admin, inside the temperature, fan speed, and the voltage, and the error codes, runtime. Here we can increase the fan speed to when we want it warmer. And you will hear it speed up. I bought the heater on Amazon very cheap for about 6-7 years ago, and I have actually not had any problems whatsoever with it. So if you're interested in it, I will put a link in the description below. It's one of the best investments I have done, so I can use it for all the seasons. Here are some common error codes, good to have. The only problem I had was in the beginning when I installed it, and it was a lot of air in the fuel pipe. so I just had to prime the pump. But other than that, no problem at all. So it's been very reliable these 6-7 years. Do you have any experience with these cheap heaters? Please let us know in the comments down below. Thanks for watching and see you next time.